If you're looking for the best waterproof mobile phones, I have the scoop for you. Hello, this is Mr. Mobility. Waterproof and water-resistant mobile phones are graded according to how capable they are at resisting water. In the simplest terms, they are graded by what is called an IP rating system. At the top, we have IP69, then IP68, you're going down. IP67, you're going down. You have IP54, IP52, it keeps going down. Now, the IP grading system or IP rating system spells out the resistance of the device to both dust and water. The first number in the IP rating refers to the level of resistance to dust, and the second number refers to the level of resistance to water. So an IP68 device has the highest level of protection from dust and has the highest level of protection from water. 6, 8, 6 dust, 8 water. What kind of protection does an IP68 device provide? It protects from immersion in water for up to 1.5 meters for no more than 30 minutes. So if your device is IP68 rated and it falls into water that is 1 meter or 1.2 meters deep for 25 minutes, for 30 minutes, it's like it has a very strong chance of surviving. That's an IP68 device. Now, as you go down IP67, the limitations reduce. An IP67 device is designed to withstand an immersion of no more than 1 meter deep for no more than 30 minutes. The restrictions get tighter as you step down from IP68. If you want the best waterproof mobile phones, get an IP68 device. All you have to look for in the specifications on the sales box when you're buying is IP68. That's the highest level of water resistance for immersion that you will find. Devices like Apple's iPhones, the standard iPhone models, Samsung's flagship devices, and flagship devices from other manufacturers, Oppo, OnePlus, tend to have IP68 waterproof protection. But do ask, some of these manufacturers have other devices. For example, Apple's budget model, SE, iPhone SE, tends not to have IP68. It has something lower. I also know that OnePlus and others, they have variations here and there. So please ask, but what to ask for is IP68. The best waterproof mobile phones are IP68 rated. Now, if you were listening to me at the beginning of this video, you must have heard me mention IP69. And you're probably wondering, if there is an IP69, which is higher than an IP68, why is IP68 the highest standard for immersion? IP69 has the same level of protection for immersion in water that IP68 has. But in addition, it also can withstand high pressure jets of water at also higher temperatures than normal. That's what IP69 does. IP69, IP69K, they are usually used for industrial smartphones. So the average smartphone, like the average Samsung Galaxy or Apple iPhone or Motorola device, tend to not have IP69 or 69K. They usually stop at IP68. But if you are looking for a smartphone that's designed for industrial use, for people who are in the security services, search and rescue, fire services, those are called rugged smartphones. They are called industrial smartphones. Then you're better off making sure you get one with IP69 or IP69K, because it means that guy can also withstand heat and water pressure at a greater scale than the average smartphone can. But for regular phones that you can buy in the market, and one of the interesting things about rugged or industrial smartphones is they tend to be thicker than regular smartphones, thicker, bulkier, heavier. So most people really don't want to deal with those. For regular smartphones, just ask for an IP68 smartphone from your favorite manufacturer. If you love Apple phones, pick an iPhone that has IP68. If you love Samsung phones, pick a Samsung phone that has IP68 protection. If you love Motorola, Nokia, whatever other brand, pick a model from them that has IP68 rating and you're good to go. This is a general rule until the ratings change. Whenever the ratings change, this is the general rule of how to pick the best waterproof mobile phones. IP68 is what you need. You have your phone provided with maximum protection from both dust and water. Can you go swimming with these devices? Yes, you can, but there's a risk. There's a risk that while swimming, you will go below the 1 meter, 1.5 meter restriction. There is a risk that you will spend more than 30 minutes in that water at a go. And once you do, whatever happens to your device is up to you. You're liable for it because you have crossed those limits. If you want to go swimming with your smartphone, why not get a waterproof pack, right? It's a transparent pack that you can put it in, especially if you want to do video recording with it, right? Put it in, turn on the video, record while you're underwater, go as deep as you like. Well, for most people, you know, that's not too deep. If you're a professional driver, you will need professional underwater camera equipment. So this is not for you. So this is not for you. But for us regular folks who just want to have fun while swimming, you know, while taking a dive, please put your IP68 smartphone in a proper waterproof pack for video recording, for capturing pictures while you're down there. I do not recommend that you go swimming with your IP68 smartphone. Chances that something will go wrong are very high. Something usually goes wrong, and then your precious toy is gone, damaged, or completely destroyed. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. I've made it as simple as possible. IP68 is the highest level of protection from both dust and water that you can find in a mobile phone as at today. In a regular mobile phone, in a regular smartphone that is not thick, bulky, heavy, that does not look like a weapon, that does not look and feel like a tank. And most smartphone manufacturers, from Apple to Samsung to Oppo to OnePlus to Motorola to Google, they have phones that are IP68 rated, well protected from immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. Please don't forget to like this video, follow my channel, and turn on your notifications. I have lots more explainer videos like this coming your way. I'll see you in my next video.